these angelic pictures. We're cooking here today. Hey, Tips is roasting his nuggets there. Well, he doesn't have nuggets, but he's cooking his beans or whatever. I don't know what the reference is, but it's super nice and hot here in Kitimat. It's August, I don't know, 20 something. Yeah, it's August. I guess it should be hot, but it's been cold and rainy lately, so this seems like a real treat. But we're having a blast. Tomorrow's Friday. We're gonna have a great weekend. We're gonna go out camping to somewhere, and we'll post some more adventures.